Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial with Zenphi. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to be able to tweak your current flows that use the send email action for Gmail to ensure that you're always responding to emails within the same thread. This to make sure that all of your emails stay organized, and for auditing purposes you can easily refer back to the thread and have everything in one same conversation. So let's go ahead and pull up our send email action. Now this is a very well-known and loved action. However, down at the bottom you'll notice that we have a toggle here to be able to reply to the existing thread. What this is going to allow you to do is reply to an email as a reply in an existing thread instead of starting a new conversation. When may you want to implement this? Maybe for your onboarding process, or maybe you handle support request tickets in a specific inbox. You're able to respond to the customer that you have received their submission within the same thread, and that way your team can easily handle all communications within one spot. So we're going to take this email for example, and we want to be able to respond in the same thread. Now this is going to be able to be done within our send email action, or if you prefer you can also use the create draft action if you want to make sure that you look at the email first before sending it out. So we're going to toggle this option, and then where it says thread ID, we're going to click on the token picker, select the thread ID, it'll appear as a suggestion. Message ID, we'll select the message ID, and in reply to references we're going to select two. We're going to select references and in reply to. Since I'm currently using the Gmail trigger, this is where I'm getting my tokens from, but you may also pull these tokens if you're using something like the list email action or find email action. So these tokens can come from there as well if you're using a different trigger. Now let's go ahead and run an example. We'll go ahead and select the email, click start, and if I go back to my inbox after it's sent the email, we'll go ahead and refresh. And now if we take a look, we can see that it responded in the same thread, so everything is organized. If you need to CC anyone, if you want to use a specific email template, if you want to use AI to be able to respond to the email, you can combine all of those tools but now in a more organized way. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next tutorial.